Alright, how you guys doing today? This is Mr. Muscarella coming at you, and we're going to take a look at functions that are even, odd, or neither, and this is going to be the neither example. Now, of course, it'll start out the same as most of these types of problems. Determine if the function is even, odd, or neither, and justify your answer. So we're going to start out with our lovely little function f of x equals x cubed minus 2. Now, the first thing that we'll do, of course, is substitute negative x everywhere we see an x, and there's only one here. So that, when we do that, and again, make sure you put parentheses anywhere you're going to be substituting that negative x. So when we do the arithmetic and the algebra, we just end up with f of negative x equals negative x cubed minus 2. Now what I want to do first is compare this back to my original function, f of x. Now, f of negative x, that answer, is not the same thing as my original function, f of x. So that means it's not going to be an even function. All right, so I've already determined that my function is not going to be even, so I carry on. So what I do next is I take the opposite of every term in my original function, f of x, and that is just going to mean that I have to switch the signs of every single term. So x cubed becomes negative x cubed, and minus 2 simply becomes adding 2. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to compare that again. I'm going to compare f of negative x with the opposite of f of x, and those aren't the same either. So that means my function is not going to be odd. So since I don't have an even function or an odd function, I must have neither even nor odd. We have to write the following statement. This one's a little bit longer. And again, pay attention to your grammar here. We're going to have since f of negative x is not equal to f of x and f of negative x is not equal to the opposite of f of x is neither an even function nor an odd function. That's all you have to do. Every single time the steps are going to be the same for this type of problem. First thing you're going to do is substitute in negative x. The second thing you're going to do is going to compare. And then the third thing that you're going to do is write a sentence that justifies your reasoning. So that's it. Those three things are going to be how you solve this type of problem to determine if functions are even, odd, or neither with justifying your answer. That's it for watching today, boys and girls. Thanks very much. You guys have a great day. Peace out.